Cryptocurrency. It sounds like something out of a William Gibson novel, doesn't it? But it's real, and it's making waves. Imagine digital money secured by cryptography. That's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. Not governments, not banks, not even Mark Zuckerberg. Think of it like this. Bitcoin, the most famous cryptocurrency, is like digital gold. There's a limited supply and its value fluctuates based on supply and demand. But unlike that gold necklace your aunt insists on wearing to every family gathering, you can actually use Bitcoin to buy things online. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a blockchain, which is essentially a public ledger. It's like a giant digital receipt that everyone can see, ensuring transparency and security. Now you might be thinking, John, this all sounds very complicated. And you'd be right, it is. But that's why we're here, to break it down for you. December 2024 has been a wild ride for the crypto world. The month has been marked by significant highs and lows, with the market experiencing unprecedented volatility. Investors have been on the edge of their seats, watching their portfolios swing wildly from one day to the next. We're talking about roller coasters, folks, the kind that makes your stomach drop and your heart race. But instead of amusement park rides, it's the crypto market giving everyone a thrill. Except instead of screaming teenagers, it's people glued to their phones, nervously checking their portfolios. Every notification brings a mix of hope and dread, as fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. Coincheck, a Japanese cryptocurrency exchange, went public in the US. That's a big deal. This move is seen as a major step towards the mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies. It's like a stamp of legitimacy for the entire industry. It's like your weird cousin who collects Beanie Babies suddenly becoming a Wall Street tycoon. Imagine the surprise and skepticism, but also the undeniable proof that times are changing. It legitimizes the industry and shows that big investors are taking notice. The involvement of institutional investors brings a new level of credibility and stability to the market. Then there's Circle, a company dealing with stablecoins, partnering with a major cryptocurrency exchange. This partnership is expected to bring more stability and trust to the market, making it more attractive to everyday investors. Stablecoins, in the simplest terms, are like the responsible older sibling of volatile cryptocurrencies. They offer a safer, more predictable investment option, which is especially appealing in such a turbulent market. They're pegged to more stable assets like the US dollar, providing a bit of much-needed stability in the crypto Wild West. This pegging helps to mitigate the extreme fluctuations that are common with other cryptocurrencies. And let's not forget about Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency. Bitcoin has been the trailblazer, paving the way for all other digital currencies. Its journey has been nothing short of legendary. It's been on a tear, reaching new all-time highs. This surge has reignited interest and excitement in the crypto community, with many speculating about how high it can go. Some say it's because of the incoming Trump administration, which is seen as crypto-friendly. The anticipation of favorable policies and regulations has fueled optimism among investors. Others say it's just the natural progression of a maturing market. As the market evolves, it becomes more resilient and capable of sustaining higher valuations. Whatever the reason, one thing's for sure. Bitcoin is back, baby. The excitement is palpable and the future looks brighter than ever for the world of cryptocurrencies. Remember when your parents said that internet thing was just a fad? Well, they're probably saying the same thing about cryptocurrency. But here's the thing, the numbers don't lie. According to a recent study, a whopping 40% of American adults now own cryptocurrency. That's right, folks, nearly half of the country is dipping their toes into the digital asset pool. And it's not just tech-savvy millennials. We're talking about your grandparents, your plumber, even your dog walker, probably. What's driving this adoption? Well, for starters, people are starting to see cryptocurrency as a legitimate investment. With inflation on the rise and traditional markets looking shaky, crypto is seen as a hedge against economic uncertainty. Plus, let's be honest, there's a certain coolness factor to it. Owning Bitcoin is like being part of an exclusive club, albeit one where the membership fees fluctuate wildly. Section 4. Riding the crypto wave. So, you're ready to jump on the cryptocurrency bandwagon but you don't know where to start? It's a common feeling, especially with the overwhelming amount of information out there. The world of crypto can seem like a vast, uncharted ocean, and it's easy to feel lost at sea. Don't worry, we've got you covered. We're here to be your guide through these turbulent waters, helping you navigate the highs and lows of the crypto world. First things first, do your research. This cannot be stressed enough. Knowledge is power, and in the crypto world, it's your best defense against making costly mistakes. There are literally thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, and not all of them are created equal. Some are innovative and have strong use cases, while others are just riding the hype wave. Some, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, are well established and relatively stable. Relatively being the operative word here. These are often considered the blue chips of the crypto world, with a track record that gives investors a bit more confidence. Others, well, let's just say they're about as reliable as a used car salesman with a toupee. These are the ones you need to be wary of, as they can disappear as quickly as they appeared. Once you've done your due diligence and chosen your crypto, it's time to find an exchange. This is where you'll buy, sell, and trade your digital assets. But not all exchanges are created equal either. This is where you'll buy, sell, and trade your digital assets. Think of it like a stock market, but instead of stuffy suits and yelling, it's mostly people in pajamas staring at computer screens. Some exchanges offer better security, lower fees, or a wider range of cryptocurrencies. Think of it like a stock market, but instead of stuffy suits and yelling, it's mostly people in pajamas staring at computer screens. Some exchanges offer better security, lower fees, or a wider range of cryptocurrencies. It's crucial to choose one that fits your needs and has a good reputation. Now, a word of caution. The cryptocurrency market is incredibly volatile, like seriously volatile. Prices can swing wildly in a matter of minutes, and it's not uncommon to see double-digit percentage changes in a single day. One minute you could be up thousands, the next you're down more than your 401k after the 2008 crash. It's a roller coaster ride and not for the faint of heart. So only invest what you can afford to lose and always be prepared for the unexpected. Diversify your investments, keep an eye on market trends, and never invest based on hype alone. Remember, the goal is to ride the wave, not get wiped out by it. Section 5. Beyond Bitcoin, Exploring New Horizons. Bitcoin might be the poster child for cryptocurrency, but it's not the only game in town. While Bitcoin often grabs the headlines, the world of cryptocurrency is vast and varied, with numerous other digital currencies making significant strides in the financial landscape. Ethereum, for instance, has introduced the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This innovation has opened up a plethora of possibilities for decentralized applications, or dApps, which run on blockchain technology. In fact, the crypto space is constantly evolving, with new and innovative projects popping up all the time. These projects are not just limited to new cryptocurrencies, but also include advancements in blockchain technology, security protocols, and user interfaces. Startups around the world are leveraging blockchain to create solutions that were previously unimaginable, from secure voting systems to transparent supply chains. One such development is NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. NFTs have taken the digital world by storm, offering a new way to buy, sell, and trade digital assets. Unlike cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are fungible and can be exchanged on a one-to-one basis, NFTs are unique and cannot be exchanged on a like-for-like basis. This uniqueness has made them particularly popular in the art world, where digital artists can now sell their work directly to collectors without the need for intermediaries. Now, before you glaze over and start thinking about cat videos, hear us out. NFTs are not just about digital art, they have a wide range of applications. For instance, they can be used to represent ownership of virtual real estate in online games, or even to tokenize real-world assets like real estate and luxury goods. This means that NFTs have the potential to revolutionize not just the art world, but also industries like gaming, real estate, and beyond. NFTs are digital assets that represent ownership of unique items like digital art, collectibles, and even virtual real estate. Imagine owning a piece of virtual land in a popular online game, or a rare digital collectible that you can trade with others. The possibilities are endless, and the market for NFTs is growing rapidly, with some digital artwork selling for millions of dollars. Think of it like this. Remember that time you drew a masterpiece on your refrigerator with crayons? That drawing was unique, one of a kind, and held sentimental value. An NFT is like a digital certificate of authenticity for that masterpiece, proving that it's one of a kind and belongs to you, even if your mom accidentally throws it out during spring cleaning. This digital certificate is stored on the blockchain, making it tamper-proof and easily verifiable. An NFT is like a digital certificate of authenticity for that masterpiece, proving that it's one of a kind and belongs to you, even if your mom accidentally throws it out during spring cleaning. This digital certificate is stored on the blockchain, making it tamper-proof and easily verifiable. The blockchain ensures that the ownership and transaction history of the NFT are transparent and cannot be altered, providing a level of security and trust that is unparalleled in the digital world. Then there's DeFi, or decentralized finance. DeFi is one of the most exciting and rapidly growing areas in the crypto space. It aims to recreate traditional financial systems such as banks and exchanges with blockchain technology. By doing so, DeFi seeks to eliminate the need for intermediaries, reduce costs, and increase accessibility to financial services for people around the world. This is where things get really interesting. DeFi platforms allow users to lend, borrow, trade, and earn interest on their crypto assets without relying on traditional financial institutions. This opens up a world of possibilities for financial inclusion, especially for those who are unbanked or underbanked. Imagine being able to take out a loan without having to go through a lengthy approval process or earning interest on your savings without needing a bank account. DeFi aims to revolutionize traditional finance by using blockchain technology to create a more open, transparent, and accessible financial system. By leveraging smart contracts, DeFi platforms can automate financial transactions, reducing the need for intermediaries and increasing efficiency. This not only lowers costs but also reduces the risk of fraud and human error. Imagine a world where you don't need banks to get a loan, where you can borrow and lend money directly to other people, and where your financial data is truly yours. In this world, financial services are more accessible, transparent, and efficient. DeFi has the potential to democratize finance, giving more people access to financial services and opportunities that were previously out of reach. That's the promise of DeFi. It's a bold vision for the future of finance, one that is more inclusive, transparent, and efficient. As the DeFi ecosystem continues to grow and evolve, it will be exciting to see how these innovations shape the financial landscape and create new opportunities for people around the world.